This client was actually still living in New York and had rented an apartment in West Hollywood, but he wasn't able to be there to oversee the move-in process because he was traveling for work. So he hired us to go into the apartment, get all the measurements that we needed, and just trusted us that we would unpack everything and organize it all using our best judgment. He also wanted to utilize the large walk-in closet that was off of the living room space to make a much bigger closet for all of his clothes and shoes, and also to reconfigure the hallway closet to get maximum storage potential. We custom designed both of these spaces using the Elsa system from the Container Store, and we were really able to maximize both of these spaces to fit everything that he had and giving him some room to grow as well. These systems are really awesome because they're so configurable. You can cut the wire shelves to the exact length that you need, which makes them just so versatile. They're also pretty affordable, and we just love using them because of how much variety you get out of them. And then you can always reconfigure them later if your needs change. But the way that we set up the new clothing closet was so fun. It looks like part boutique, part storage space. It's so functional for him. And then also the hallway closet, we added a bunch of storage so that, it serves as the only closet for all the household items in this space. So we configured it to have, tons of room for cleaning products and backstock and camping and leisure gear. And then, all the things that we keep on hand for entertaining and just everything that you would normally have in a household, we had to fit into this one closet space. At the end of the day, he was so happy and we had so much fun. I really love doing custom closet designs because it's just such a fun mix of spatial planning and design, and it gives us the opportunity to really showcase what professional organizers do.